What if I told you there's a brand new channel pulling insane numbers by taking a simple but unique twist on a trending niche? The channel is called Time for Growth. It was created back in June 2025. But here's the crazy part. They only started uploading 5 months ago. In that short time, they've pulled over 3 million views from just 31 videos. One of their videos hit 1.7 million views in 4 weeks, and another crossed 2.6 lakhs views shortly after. So what are they doing? Simple. They're creating simple, high-converting videos designed to help people enter deep, focus-boosting productivity sessions.
You put in a lot of effort at school, especially when you think about all the time you spend. You are concerned about your education and the amount of stress you experience. Regardless, you continue to see yourself working at school while other students seem successful and less stressed than you. You see content from creators who continue to post every day regarding their accomplishments and see other people creating better versions of themselves each day. And the longer you work, the more you feel that you should be achieving those goals faster than you currently are. If you can relate to this feeling, take a moment to reflect on the content of this video, as it will not address motivation or trying harder. The video will outline why hard-working university students often have the feeling of falling behind in school.
This type of content is perfect for students, young adults, and anyone trying to concentrate better, study longer, and actually get work done. All right, let's break this down. Simple and straight to the point. Here's how these channels are pulling insane numbers. I analyzed competitor logos, banners, thumbnails, and image styles, then converted everything into clean, copy-paste prompts you can use directly from the description box. First, channel name. Don't overthink it. Copy the channel name prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll instantly get strong, clean name ideas. Pick one that's simple and memorable. That's exactly how I chose mine. Once the name is locked, move to branding. I personally prefer generating the logo and banner directly from ChatGPT itself, and you can do the same. If you want, you may also use any other image generator. It's totally your choice. Copy the logo prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, add your channel name, and generate the logo. Download it. Now, in the same chat, paste the banner prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, generate the banner, and download it. After ChatGPT generates your image, you can expand it using Pixelcut AI Image Expander. Simply upload your image, then enter the YouTube banner size, 2560 by 1440 pixels, and click Generate. If you don't like the first result, you can regenerate until you get the perfect banner. That's it. Your channel now looks clean, professional, and ready to stand out. Next is video ideas. This is where most creators fail. Don't pick random topics. Study competitors. Find 5 to 10 high-view videos, copy their titles, paste them into ChatGPT with the video idea prompt, and generate new angles based on proven winners. Pick one topic and move forward. Now, scripting. Copy the script prompt, paste your title, and generate the full script. Read it once, tweak it slightly, and make it sound natural. Authenticity is what separates average views from massive ones. For visuals, copy the image prompt template, paste your full script, and generate scene-by-scene image prompts. Take them to Whisk, generate the first image and lock that style, then paste the next prompts so Whisk matches the same look throughout. Download everything. Visuals done. VoiceOver comes next. I use Google AI Studio in the Sharon voice, but any tool works. Paste the script, clean formatting, generate, listen once, fix small issues, and download. Editing is simple. Import images and VoiceOver into Filmora or any editor. Place the VoiceOver first, cut dead space, then align visuals with narration. Add soft background music at -9 to -12 decibels, light fades, and export in 4K. Final step. Thumbnail. For thumbnail generation, we'll follow the exact same process we used for the banner image. Simply copy the thumbnail prompt, replace the title, and generate it in ChatGPT. Within minutes, you'll have a data-backed, high CTR thumbnail. Now, take that image and open Pixelcut Image Expander. Set the size to 1280 by 720 pixels. Expand the image and upload it. It may feel slow at first. The first video takes time. The next one is faster. By the 10th video, the process becomes automatic. YouTube's success isn't luck. It's systems that compound. If this helped you, subscribe and let me know you're ready. I'll see you in the next one.